In this demonstration, we're going to look at configuring Edge Sync. An Edge Transport Server is an SMTP gateway that sits in your DMZ and is not a member of Active Directory. We use an Edge Transport Server for doing antivirus and anti-spam support, and one of the things that we need to do is we need to create rules. In order to create rules, we generally apply those rules to users. And as the Edge Transport Server is not a member of Active Directory, we somehow have to get the Active Directory information across to the Edge Transport Server so we can generate the rules. And to do that, we use Edge Sync. So the first thing I need to do is actually enable Edge Sync. So what I've done is I've come to my Edge Transport Server, I've started the Exchange Management Shell, and what I need to do now is create a new Edge subscription. So we're going to do that via the Exchange Management Shell. So we'll just clear the screen off to make it a little bit easier to read, and then we'll issue the command to create our Edge subscription. I'm going to do that with using the new -edge subscription -file name, and then I'm going to specify the location as c:/lon-edge1.xml. We'll hit the enter key. That gives us a little confirmation here. So if we create an Edge subscription, this Edge Transport Server will be managed by an Edge Sync replication. As a result, any of the following objects that were created manually will be deleted. Are we happy with that? And the answer is yes. So we'll hit enter again, and that will now go away and create our XML file. What we now need to do is we now need to take this to our Exchange organization so that we can then create or complete the rest of the Edge synchronization. So I'm just going to come into Windows Explorer, and all I'm going to do at this point here is locate the file, copy it, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it onto my Exchange server. So what we'll do, it's on the C drive. On the C drive, we'll go for our XML file, we'll copy that, and what I want to do here is I want to copy that, and I'm just going to copy that. If we come up the top here, all we'll do is //, we'll go for lon-ex1 and then /C $. And what we'll do here is we'll just paste that into the root of C. Now hopefully out there in the real world, this would cause you a problem connecting directly to in my case lon-ex1 from the DMZ. So probably what you'd be doing is you'd be copying that file onto something like a USB device and then taking it to the Exchange server and then pasting it on the Exchange server from the USB device. Now that we've done that, we now need to go to our Exchange server that we want to create the rest of the Edge Sync with. So we'll go to lon-ex1 in my case, and within lon-ex1 I've launched up Exchange Management Shell, and we're going to use the Exchange Management Shell to actually create the rest of the Edge subscription. So all we'll do, we'll just clear the screen off again, just make it a little bit easier to read. We'll then issue the commandlet that will allow us to create the Edge subscription. And we're going to do that by using a new -edge subscription, specify file data, specify the data we want to read. So we're going to do brackets, open square brackets, byte, close square bracket, open square brackets, close square brackets, close square brackets, then $. And then what we're going to do at this point here is we're going to do a get -content -path, specify the location of the XML file, specify the encoding byte, and then we're going to specify the read count of 0, close the brackets, -site, default first site name. So now what we've got here is warning, Edge Sync requires that the mailbox servers and Active Directory site default first site name, which is what we specified here, be able to resolve the IP address for lon-edge1.daemon.com and able to connect to that host on port 50636, which is a secure LDAP port. Next thing we'll do here is we'll now actually start the Edge subscription. And we'll do that by using the start-edge synchronization. So what this is going to do here is based off that XML file, which was a subscription file, we're now going to synchronize from Active Directory information relating to the Exchange configuration. That's the end of this demonstration. Thank you.